So there's a couple ways you can go about mounting your action camera to the hood of your car to get some nice footage. You could use the standard GoPro mounts, or you can use the Polar Pro mount, but I've found that the Sea-Sucker is pretty good for me, whether I'm using the GoPro 10 or the Osmo Action 2. Right now I'm using this small rig, kind of bendy arm that I got off of Amazon, link will be in below, but I'm using this to mount. So what I do is I mount the Sea-Sucker to the hood and I suction it up. Of course I wet it beforehand, and I just screw this in. I did get this part off of Amazon, and it's a feet replacement for the GoPro, and that's beneficial because it has a 1/4-20 at the bottom and allows you to mount to the bottom of any 1/4-20 mount. So basically I could take this on and off really quickly. Just screw it onto there, and now all I have to do is set it up. I've been liking to set it up like this underneath and have it orientate, and then I just lock them in. Let's say I did want to use the DJI Action 2. I like this mount also because it has that 1/4-20 at the bottom of it, and it just screws on. Now the win over this, over the GoPro, is this magnet mount. I can pop it off, and then when I'm ready, lock it back in, make sure the angle's right, and that's it. So both of these cameras work really well on this setup on the hood of a car. I haven't found any issues with either. Perhaps I'll show you some nice time-lapse footage.